Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The story of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam is described as Ahsan al-Qasas in the Quran. We will have a look on the life of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam in a separate chapter. In today's episode, we will learn about the shirt of Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam. When the brothers of Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam threw him into the well and told their father Sayyiduna Ya'qoob alayhi salam that a wolf has eaten him, Sayyiduna Ya'qoob alayhi salam suffered profound sorrow and grief. He wept for many days, and due to his weeping excessively, his eyesight became weak. After years, when the brothers of Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam went to Egypt for the second time during the days of famine in order to gather rations, they recognized Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam and asked for forgiveness remorsefully. Whilst forgiving, Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam said, "Today there is no rebuke against you. May Allah forgive you. He is the most merciful." When Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam inquired about his father Sayyiduna Ya'qoob alayhi salam, then the brothers told him that due to prolonged weeping out of your grief, he has become frail and his eyesight has also become very weak. Upon hearing the state of his father from his brothers, Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam was very much grieved. He then said to his brothers, "Take along this shirt of mine and put it on my father's face. His vision will be restored, and bring your entire family to me." The brothers of Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam took the shirt and left for Canaan from Egypt. Yehuda, one of the brothers of Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam, said, "I will take this shirt to Sayyiduna Ya'qoob alayhi salam, as I was the one who took the blood-stained shirt of Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam to Sayyiduna Ya'qoob alayhi salam after throwing him into the well. And I grieved him by saying that a wolf has eaten Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam. So because I was responsible for his grief, therefore today I will give him the shirt and make him happy with the good news that Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam is still alive." Therefore Yehuda took the shirt and ran bareheaded and barefoot for 80 furlongs. Completing his journey as quickly as he could, he reached the court of his esteemed father. The moment Yehuda left Egypt for Canaan with the shirt, Sayyiduna Ya'qoob alayhi salam smelled the fragrance of Sayyiduna Yusuf alayhi salam and said to his grandchildren, said, "Indeed, I sense the fragrance of Yusuf, if you do not call me disoriented." His grandchildren replied, "By Allah, you are still in your old state of longing. Where is Yusuf and where is his fragrance?" But when Yehuda reached Canaan with the shirt, and the moment he put the shirt on the face of Sayyiduna Ya'qoob alayhi salam, the eyesight of Sayyiduna Ya'qoob alayhi salam restored right away. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said in the Holy Quran, "Then when the bearer of glad tidings came, he laid that shirt on the face of Ya'qoob. He therefore immediately regained the eyesight. He said, 'Did I not tell you, I know those glories of Allah which you do not know.'"